In this episode, we look around the amazing town of Wudinna in South Australia. Here you will discover beautiful locations such as Mount Wudinna and Pildappa Rock. Please note that some of the granite rock formations are located on private farms, so I would suggest a visit to the tourist information for a map of the best viewing locations. At the base of Mount Wudinna, you will find several picnic sites with barbecue facilities, a parking area, toilets, and an architecturally designed shelter, also with barbecue facilities. There is also a parking area suitable for buses and caravans. A walk to the top of Mount Wudinna can take only a matter of minutes, and you don't need to be an Olympic athlete to complete this feat. Worth it as the views from 261 meters above ground level are spectacular and span many miles around. Camping is not permitted. Pildappa Rock is an impressive granite outcrop well worth a visit. Located just 15 kilometers off National Highway 1, access to the attraction is through the town of Minippa. Visit the rock and you will find wave formations rival the famous Wave Rock in Western Australia. Shelter, picnic toilet and barbecue facilities are available, making it a popular picnic spot among locals and visitors. A walking drive trail circumnavigates the rock. Pildappa Rock is another great location with picnic facilities and a walking trail. Perfect for nature lovers and photographers, or just to relax and enjoy the peace and quiet. If you watched our previous video on Wattle Grove Campground, you can camp overnight for a small fee under one of these amazing rocks. I will place a link at the end of this video for you to check it out. Hoot was originally built around 1915 as a surveyor and workman's hut when building the dam tank and drains for the town's water supply. Over time, it has had many uses, the last being home to a much-loved Aboriginal couple, affectionately known as Tom and Tilly. Thank you for watching. If you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.